Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Blessing of Sew with Octavia, and in this video we're going to learn how to make these twisted or knotted bodies as the case may be. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across us on this space, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share, and let's delve right into the video. Now I have already prepared my basic pattern with a waist that as seen like that, so you go ahead and do the same thing and opening it up like that. The first thing we're going to do is to close up our dart, then mark out my neckline like that. I used 3 inches wide by 4 inches depth. Okay, so you go ahead and cut out your neckline. After cutting the neckline, I set aside the lining and focus on the fabric. So I fold into 2, then I mark the center of my bodice. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to make a hole at the center, just like that. I didn't use any specific measurement, I just made a small hole. You can use around 2 to 2.5. Okay, so that's after making the hole. You now get your fabric, a wide fabric. The fabric you have to lay it upon has to be bigger than the bodice itself. You're going to twist it, so you need it to be bigger. So what I did next was to pin round the hole and go to my sewing machine and I sew. After sewing, you use a scissors and make an incision, then you cut around the part where you have already sewn. You have to make sure it's neat and your scissors doesn't go through the first sewing that you have made. So next thing I do is to pull out the big fabric from underneath. Okay, I pull it to the front, give it a good press. So this is what it looks like from the back, but we are going to be making use of the front side. So arrange it properly. So this is what it looks like now. You flip over to the front. So the next thing you want to do now is to gradually start shifting. You see how I'm rolling the front bodies around the bigger fabric. Okay, so you just be doing it gently while turning it around. You're arranging it. Okay, so just keep doing that until point where the bigger fabric is exhausted. You can no longer turn it again. So this is what I have, like this. So when you turn it to the front, this is what it looks like. You adjust accordingly, pin before taking it to your sewing machine to sew down. This pattern now, you can use it, it's not just a bodice, you can use it for a skirt, you can use it on a sleeve, anything at all, and this is what it's gonna look like. So after you finish adjusting, you pin it, give it a good press, and you sew. After sewing round the body, this is what you have. Then you trim out the excess fabric that sticks out. After trimming out, this is what you have. So the next thing I want to do is to now incorporate the lining. Put the lining on the fabric itself and finish up, and that's basically it. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and something you try out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.